Hey, K-Class, Professor C here with another exciting and actually very small Python program. It's only 3 lines of code. Notice I do a import matplotlib, and I have a for. And we've always done fors with numbers for the most part. But what happens is you can also use a for loop to process things in a list. So in the matplotlib, there are the colors that are available, and you can get the color names and all the individual items. And I'm asking for the name of the color that Python knows, and I'm asking for the hexadecimal value. And the hexadecimal values are used sometimes on web pages to get the HTML to do a certain color. Let's run this code. And look at the list I get. These are all the colors that Python comes with, starting with Alice Blue. Notice they're all in lowercase, and then you have the space and you have the hex. Alice Blue is the name, and this is the hex, the colorization hex. And it processes each one of these. As a shortcut, I can do something like this as PLT, and then anywhere you see matplotlib, you can replace with PLT. And if I did this correct, it will run quite nicely for us. There you go. So if you're not sure what colors to use, here's how you can ask Python to let us know what the colors are, get the color name, and each item in the list.